Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to look at how to set up your IP version for address statically. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it for your Wi-Fi adapter because I don't have a wired connection right now, but I can show you it's the same thing. Instead of wireless you can do that for wire too. So this is the my Wi-Fi signal here, and then Wi-Fi connection. So right click here, open network internet settings, and then so go here, change uh, so if you look at Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi and then change adapter options. So here are the connections that you have. So right now Ethernet is disabled, but I'm going to enable. It's going to show a red X. We have no connection, and then so this is the Wi-Fi connection, and this is the Bluetooth. So let's take a look at the status. So this is the status of my Wi-Fi, and if you look at here in the properties, and then go to IP version 4 here. So I am obtaining the IP address automatically. Also, I am obtaining the DNS server addresses automatically. So if you look at the details here, so go to details and you can see all the information here, what you are getting from your DHCP server. In my case, this is my home Wi-Fi. So connection specific, and then if you look at IP is this one, and I'm getting a mask, and then these are my leads, and then all of the, if you look at IP version for gateway, DHCP server, DNS server, all of them are same, pointing to the router. But in an enterprise network, these values will be different. All right, and so let's look at how to do that uh, statically, right? So, so 192. So I'm getting this IP 192.168.1.242. So I'm going to go and CMD. And always before you assign an IP statically, make sure you ping that IP and make sure there are no device have that IP right now. So ping 192.168.1.242 is the current IP. So you can ping that one. So you're getting, and then 243. Okay, so it's not pinging right now. So that IP is free now. All right, so let's assign that IP statically. But the better way you can do this way is you have to go to your router and then make sure you eliminate these IPs from your DHCP range. Otherwise, you might see an IP conflict. Say your PC, so you're shutting down the PC that has a 243 IP, and say if the lease time expires for this one, and then the router can give out this IP to another PC, and when you turn on this PC, both PC has the same IP, that will cause an IP conflict. All right, so let's assign this IP manually. So go to properties and go to IP version 4, and then here it is, right? So 192.168.1.243, and so this automatically you press the tab button and it will populate this one automatically, because this is a class C IP, and for class C, these all threes are assigned for network, right? So otherwise you can enter it manually, but in this case you can tap the key. So 192, 168, 1.1, right? So here you have to assign this also manually, since you are assigning the IP manually. So it's same value 192, 168, 1.1, right? So I can give you a smaller trick here. Say you can put this one 8, 8, 8, 8 as your alternate DNS. Say in this case there's a problem with your DNS on your router, and this can point to the Google, but in this case it's probably may not be a good idea, but this is normally we do that in an enterprise network, two different network DNS servers, because so this is, think about your home router is the gateway, right? So and then your gateway, your home router also should do the DNS, otherwise your traffic cannot exit from your your home router. All right, so I would eliminate this one because it's not going to do any good for you, and then you cannot put the same IP again for as an alternate. So this is the only way you can play with this in your house network. All right, so I'm going to hit OK. So it says no internet access, and then it came back. It takes a few seconds to do that. All right, so you have a static IP now, and then I go CMD, and then IP FIG IP config, and then I put all. So you will see all of your values here. So this is that is okay. Here it is. Your Ethernet adapter is not doing anything right now. Ethernet adapter, Ethernet 2. Let's see. So your Wi-Fi, so we need to look at our wireless LAN adapter. So wireless LAN is, here it is. So this is a preferred IP version 4, and then if you see, okay, default gateway. So you have enabled IP version 6 also here. That's why you see this value. And okay, and then DNS server is same. If you see your DNS server is 192.168 1.1. All right. So if you like the video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.